Our mission at Oasis at Home is to bring to life your vision of a beautiful and functional backyard, 4 years of outdoor living and fun. Located in Brantford and Hamilton, Ontario, we service the Greater Toronto and Hamilton areas, and most of southwestern Ontario. Oasis at Home is your one-stop shop from concept to design, and for the creation of permit drawings and applications, which includes permit management and the building or installation of your project. Oasis at Home is capable and ready to build or install the perfect additions to your backyard or property. Check out the Showcase and Services section on our website for a sampling of the products and services we provide. www.oasisathome.ca. From the website, you can request a no-cost or obligation at-home consultation or estimate. Just look for our booking form. Alternatively, you may also call or email us anytime. In Brantford, call us at 519-757-7427. In Hamilton, call us at 289-799-0441. For all other areas, call us at 289-815-0945. Oasis at Home is proudly an authorized dealer and installer for True North and Clubhouse branded premium composite decking products, Raymar synthetic lawns, Daich coatings, and other premium outdoor products. We try very hard to support our neighbors and our Canadian economy by selling and supporting great Canadian companies and their products. Our sourcing and purchasing standards are simple and are based on 4 simple guidelines: by Canadian if possible, by the least toxic or the least harmful products environmentally and in terms of human and animal health, by locally if we can, and by best-in-breed products only. We don't bother with purchasing or selling inferior products. So, if you need a deck built, a new fence, an accessory building like a shed, garage, or pool house, or a concrete pad or walkway, just give us a call. We also do stamp concrete, and hot tub and swim spa pads, and we build gorgeous artisanal handcrafted gazebos, pergolas, and pavilions made from British Columbia Douglas fir and Western red cedar. We will even erect your store-bought gazebo or shed for you. Why haven't you called us yet to make your home more beautiful? www.oasisathome.ca